artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing Bingo from Bluey. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing Bingo from Bluey. This is one of my favorite characters. For this lesson we're gonna need pencil and a marker. And we're gonna start first with the pencil. The first thing we're gonna do is the body. It's gonna be like a rectangle shape with corners rounded. So we're gonna start here on the top. We're gonna do a line. Then we're gonna start rounded and we're gonna come down. We're gonna round again. We're gonna go to the right and we're gonna round up now. And you guys can go really slow with this. And you are using pencil because we want to make sure that we're happy with this shape. Okay? Now that we did this, we're going to put the pencil aside. That's all what we need the pencil for. And we're going to change to the marker. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to trace the eyebrows because they cross a little bit of this line. So we're going to do a rectangle shape again. And the corners are a little rounded. And this rectangle shape is pointing up a little. I'm going to do the same thing in the other side. I'm going to cross the pencil line and I'm going to do my rectangle shape with very round corners. Now we're going to draw one of the arms that is crossing a little bit the pencil line. So we're going to go in here a little and we're going to go out. And this is kind of like in the middle of this side. We're going to leave a space and I want to cross the pencil line again and I want to go out. Now I want to do the fingers. She has 4 fingers. The first one goes up. And then the next ones are going to be sideways a little. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. And inside the hand, we're going to do a little line. Now we're going to erase the lines that are inside the marker lines. So I'm going to erase this pencil line and this pencil line. And I'm going to trace the rest of my lines. So I'm going to start here on the top and I'm going to go over. And when you're using the marker, you can actually fix the little details that you didn't like. You think it can go better. Now, if you have some details still with pencil, we are going to erase those ones. There. The next thing we're going to do is inside, we're going to do the nose. And we're going to start on the left side. I'm going to leave about a finger space from the left side. I'm going to trace the nose, and this is going to start with a curve and then a curve underneath. Now around this nose, we're going to do the snout of the doggy, and we're going to start up here, leaving a space between the nose and the line, and then I want to curve down, and I'm going to go around the nose and come back up. At the end of this line, I want to make a smirk, or like a little smile. Now here, down here, we're gonna do a really little line and we're gonna leave it like that because we wanna trace the eyes first. So the eye here is very big, okay? It's leaving a little bit of a space next to the body. So I'm gonna start going around, big oval shape, connect here. And you see, I'm leaving a little bit of a space here. And the next eye is gonna go from this line. And this is just gonna show half of the eye. It's not gonna show the whole eye. Just like that. And inside we're gonna draw 2 oval shapes. The first one goes here on top of the eye. And we're gonna fill that with black. And the second one is gonna go here. We're gonna leave a little bit of a space on the left side. Less space here than on the right side. And we're gonna do another oval shape. Now that we have the eyes, we're gonna connect the mouth. So I wanna go from my little line and I wanna start curving up and I connect with the eye. On the top, we're gonna mark 2 lines as well. We're gonna go 1 curve that connects with the eyebrow and from the eye to the eyebrow. And here, underneath the eyes, we're gonna do 1 curve and the other one goes from the mouth to the corner. Next, I'm gonna draw the little tummy, and from this corner, I'm gonna come up, round the corner, round again, and come back down. And I'm leaving a little bit more space on this side. Now we're gonna do the other arm that is sticking behind, and I'm gonna start about really close to this shape. I wanna do a line that goes up. I'm leaving a space, and I'm gonna do a longer line this time, up. Now we're gonna do the thumb again. It's kind of like a backwards letter C. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. And I'm doing a line here inside. Now let's go finish the ears. So we're gonna go in this corner. I wanna start going up and back down like a triangle. Now let's start on this corner again. We're gonna go up and back down. Now let's do the legs. The legs are gonna be 1 and 2 lines, and the second line is a little longer. Let's do it again. A short line, a longer line. And I finished my lines at the same distance. Now we're gonna close them by doing a curve and connect. A curve and connect. And inside I wanna put 1 and 2 lines, 1 and 2 lines. The last thing we're gonna do is the tail, and for the tail I'm gonna go from the leg, curve out, and from the top of this corner, a little curve. Now I wanna join these 2 lines by doing curves. So I wanna start here in this corner, I wanna go 1, then I'm doing another one, and then another one, and a last one. To finish this up, I'm gonna mark where the colors are gonna change on her tail, and we're gonna go just doing a curved line. And there, that's it. We finished this character. It is Bingo for the cartoon Bluey. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors of this character. She is super cute and I love this character, and so I hope you like this lesson. Here is where you can stop the video if you want to copy some of the colors. And the only detail I did at the end is to make these spots here on her body and adding a little bit of brown on her nose. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.